Did you know that little box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now could be the solution to over 20 common health problems and household challenges? Most people think it's just for baking cookies or deodorizing refrigerators, but this $1 wonder product has secret uses that pharmaceutical companies don't want you to discover. Today, I'm revealing all of them, including one baking soda trick that the majority of people have never heard about, which I'll share at the end of this video. So what exactly is baking soda? Well, its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate, and it's a natural mineral found in deposits around the world. Places like California, Colorado, Kenya, and Mexico have large amounts of this mineral, which is sometimes called nacolite in its natural form. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it can neutralize acids. It has a pH of about 9, which is why it's so effective at balancing acidity in your body and around your home. This simple powder is truly a jack of all trades. And remember, baking soda is not the same as baking powder. Baking soda is 100% sodium bicarbonate, while baking powder contains sodium bicarbonate plus other ingredients like acid salts. It's the pure form that gives us all these amazing benefits we're about to explore. Let's start with something many of us struggle with: heartburn and indigestion. That burning sensation in your chest after a big meal can really ruin your day. Here's where baking soda comes to the rescue. Because it's alkaline, it can help neutralize stomach acid that's causing that uncomfortable burning sensation. According to health experts, this is why many commercial antacids actually contain sodium bicarbonate as their active ingredient. For occasional heartburn relief, many healthcare professionals suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and sipping it slowly about an hour after eating. The quick reaction between the baking soda and your stomach acid helps reduce that painful burning sensation naturally and affordably. And I can tell you, this works so much better than spending money on those expensive antacids at the pharmacy. It's the same active ingredient, but at a fraction of the cost. Speaking of acid neutralization, this remarkable property also makes baking soda incredibly effective for oral health too. Did you know baking soda has natural antibacterial properties that can help fight bacteria like Streptococcus nutans, which causes tooth decay? That's why so many toothpastes actually contain baking soda as an ingredient. It helps freshen breath, whiten teeth, and reduce harmful bacteria in your mouth. For a simple mouth rinse, you can mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. This solution is so gentle yet effective that it's even recommended by some oncologists for cancer patients experiencing mouth discomfort during chemotherapy. But the benefits of this wonder powder extend far beyond your mouth. If you've ever had painful mouth sores or canker sores, baking soda can provide remarkable relief there too. Those small but incredibly painful lesions can make eating and speaking uncomfortable, but baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing irritation and creating an environment less favorable to bacteria. A significant study at the Sunnybrook Oral Health Clinic treated over 3,000 patients with persistent mouth sores using baking soda rinses, with impressive results: a 70% reduction in lesions, especially when used regularly. You can simply mix a small amount of water with baking soda to form a paste, apply it directly to the sore, or rinse your mouth with a baking soda solution 3 times a day. This method is safe even for children and provides quick pain relief, making eating much easier. The healing properties of baking soda don't stop at your mouth, they extend to your skin as well. If you're dealing with itchy skin from bug bites or mild irritations, a simple paste of baking soda and water can provide quick relief. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize the acids in insect venom and soothes irritated skin. For those with rough, dry skin on elbows, knees, or feet, baking soda makes an excellent gentle exfoliant. Just mix it with a little water to form a paste, massage it gently onto the skin, and rinse it off for smoother, softer skin. And here's something most people don't know. Baking soda can help clear up fungal infections. Its antifungal properties make it effective against various fungal groups. including those that cause skin and nail infections. Now, let's talk about something that affects millions of people: joint pain and inflammation. This might surprise you, but baking soda could help people suffering from arthritis pain. A groundbreaking study published in 2018 found that baking soda may create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. Researchers observed that when test subjects consumed a solution of baking soda mixed with water, they experienced reduced inflammation in joints and a more balanced immune response. For those with arthritis, some healthcare practitioners suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it once daily, preferably after a meal. The research showed encouraging results with significant reduction in joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. But remember, and this is important, this should only be done under medical supervision, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart issues. This anti-inflammatory effect ties in perfectly with how baking soda can support one of your body's most vital filtration systems, your kidneys. Your kidneys play a crucial role in your body. They filter your blood, eliminate toxins, and maintain fluid balance. But sometimes, conditions like chronic kidney disease can impair these essential functions. Scientific research has shown that baking soda might help support kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found something remarkable. Patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. How does it work? Well, the bicarbonate helps buffer acids in the body, which can take some strain off the kidneys. This is especially important because when kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they struggle to remove acid from the body. The study revealed that after 2 years, participants who regularly consumed bicarbonate reduced their risk of progression to kidney failure by an impressive 36%. They also showed improvement in combating metabolic acidosis, a common condition in kidney patients. The alkalizing effects of baking soda don't just help your kidneys. They can also provide relief for another common and uncomfortable condition, particularly among women. Ladies, this one's especially for you. Urinary tract infections can be incredibly uncomfortable, and women are more likely than men to experience them. The burning sensation, the frequent urges to urinate, it's no fun at all. A scientific study from 2017 found that baking soda could help alleviate UTI symptoms in women with acidic urine. After 4 weeks of taking baking soda orally, the women's urine became more alkaline, and they reported significant improvement in their symptoms. This makes baking soda a simple, affordable option for supporting UTI recovery, particularly when the urine is acidic. But always consult with your doctor before trying this approach. Are you active? Do you exercise regularly? Then you'll love this next benefit that connects perfectly with what we've been discussing about acid neutralization. Baking soda has been studied for its potential to enhance exercise performance and recovery. When we exercise intensely, lactic acid builds up in our muscles, causing that burning sensation and fatigue. The alkaline nature of baking soda may help neutralize this acid. Some studies suggest that consuming baking soda before exercise might improve performance during high-intensity activities. Scientists call this bicarbonate loading, and research indicates it may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance during sustained strenuous exercise lasting between 1 and 7 minutes. After exercise, soaking in a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda added may help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, potentially reducing soreness and speeding recovery. One small clinical study of 8 healthy male subjects found that consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling actually improved their sprint performance. Now, here's the special information that the majority of people don't know about that I promised at the beginning. While this is still in the research phase, it's fascinating and potentially life-changing. Scientists have discovered that baking soda might help in the fight against cancer. How? Well, cancer cells thrive in acidic environments, and baking soda can increase the pH of acidic tumors, without affecting the pH of healthy tissues and blood. Research has shown that oral doses of sodium bicarbonate can raise tumor pH and inhibit metastases in animal models of breast cancer. Now, this doesn't mean baking soda is a cancer cure, not at all, but it shows how this simple compound might one day play a role in complementary cancer treatments. This research is still ongoing, but it highlights just how powerful this humble kitchen ingredient might be. Before we wrap up, I need to share some crucial safety information. While baking soda is natural and generally safe, it's not right for everyone, and too much can cause problems. Baking soda is high in sodium. 1 teaspoon contains 1,259 milligrams of sodium, so people with high blood pressure, heart conditions, kidney disease, or those on sodium-restricted diets should be very cautious about internal use. If you do take baking soda internally, experts recommend these guidelines. Never take more than 3.5 teaspoons in a day. If you're over 60 years old, limit it to no more than 1.5 teaspoons daily. Don't use the maximum dosage for longer than 2 weeks. Always make sure the baking soda is fully dissolved in water. Sip the solution slowly. Don't gulp it down. Don't take it when your stomach is completely full. And don't give it to children under 6 years of age unless directed by a doctor. Side effects of taking too much baking soda can include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in rare cases, more serious issues like seizures or heart problems. Also, don't take baking soda within 2 hours of other medications, as it can interfere with how they work. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid internal use of baking soda unless specifically advised by their healthcare provider. So there you have it, the incredible power of baking soda. From soothing heartburn and supporting kidney health to enhancing exercise recovery and potentially even playing a role in cancer research, this humble white powder truly is a miracle substance. Remember, nature often provides simple solutions to complex problems, and baking soda is the perfect example of this wisdom. For just $1 or less per box, you can harness the power of this versatile compound for your health and home. What's your favorite use for baking soda? Have you tried any of these health remedies? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.